Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. We're here with another weekly Liv video. It's Monday. I just want to make inherently clear that I know that my eyebrows literally look terrible. I don't know if you guys can tell in this like ridiculously bright lighting that's actually blinding me. It's obviously Monday. The reason why I'm not filming at home, I like to normally start my vlog at home on a Monday, but Corpu's off work sick today, so I wasn't about to vlog while he's homesick. I will go through my meal prep tomorrow in the morning when I'm getting ready. But yeah, I went to the gym this morning. I was like the closest that I've been in a long time to not going. I was just so tired this morning. I always feel better after I go to the gym. It's just getting over that hump of like getting out of bed. But I managed to get out of bed, went to the gym, and now I feel really good. It's because we're going on a school trip today and I wanted to be very visible. I was going to wear black, but I was like, no, I better wear a bright colour so that the kids can see me. And my other option was pink, and I was not feeling like wearing pink today, and thank God I didn't because I have like no makeup on. Morning, it is Tuesday and I cannot remember for the life of me if I vlogged last night. I wanted to vlog something. Oh, I got another pair of those track pants from Kmart. If you saw my Kmart haul, I was going to show you those, but I think I just couldn't be bothered. My trip yesterday was amazing. Like, it was so good, but I was like really tired, so I did not end up vlogging when I got home. Okay, let me show you my outfit. Now this is one of my Kmart ones. Woo! Right, let me show you my outfit. This is one of my Kmart ones, well, half Kmart. So I'm wearing this black singlet with the green pants. I don't know if these shoes work, but I feel like they do. And then this is the cardigan that we got, which is really thin, but it just kind of like makes me feel a little bit more covered, especially because this outfit is like so out of left field for what I normally wear. It's quite nice to feel like concealed a little bit. I was trying to say something, but I'm in front of the window, so let me try to say that again. Corpu's setting up something in the spare, so if you hear noises, that's what that is. I wanted to show you guys these pants. So these are the grey Kmart pants, just the blue ones, and I got them in a 6 and they fit way better. So if you guys are wanting these to be like really tight fitting, I recommend going down a size. Oh my god, I died. They're so comfy. Oh yeah, I was doing that today at work. Somebody like complimented me on my pants that I wore. She was like, those pants are so cool, and I was like, yeah, thank you, they're from Kmart, and did like this full like modeling thing, and she was like really confused. Yep, my workmates think that I'm bizarre, but anyway, we're gonna have mashed potatoes, which we haven't had in like legitimately like months because it's not super healthy. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Anyway, my hair's sweaty too. I washed it like 2 days ago. Gym problems. Hey guys, and happy Wednesday. It is obviously the afternoon because I actually look nice, so I must be going somewhere, but it is Wednesday afternoon and I was intending on filming this morning, but my camera died like right as I got into the car. But I did take this really quick outfit clip so that you guys can see what I'm wearing, so I'll just chuck it in as I'm talking. But yeah, I've had a really good day at work. I'm going out for dinner tonight with my flatmate and one of her friends from work. Corpu's at home streaming tonight, so I'm just going to take some takeout home to him. But yeah, I kind of did some makeup just because I felt like, why not? I may as well do makeup, and I flipped out my septum ring, which is very adventurous because I never ever wear it. I'm on my way now to go to Kmart to do my returns from the haul, and I'm also going to go back to my parents' house because I haven't seen them in like a week, and I also have a package there, so I'm like killing 2 birds with 1 stone. But yeah, I was going to go see them tonight anyway, because I haven't seen them in ages. But yeah, don't you just love when the person in front of you is angry for no reason when you're driving? Like the person in front of me just like tooted at the person in front of them because they like couldn't get through a gap, and it's like, if you tried hard enough, mate, you could get through that gap. I love a good angry driver, except unless they're angry at me, and then whew, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have like the worst road rage. Like, I'd never punch anyone or anything, but I'll like scream while I drive. There have been many a vlog clip that I've had to cut because I like lose the plot for no good reason. It is not a pedestrian crossing. You are so stupid. See? Angry. That wasn't a pedestrian crossing, and the other people stopped. Oh, my blood is boiling. Well, that was a bloody average Kmart trip. I was in there for like an hour, and please don't turn into my car park. Please, please, please. please, please. Oh, thank God. You know when you get a drive-through and then somebody's like about to pull in and you're like, world falls apart? That just happened to me, but they drove past. So all is well. Yeah, so that was a terrible trip. I tried on a couple of things. The pants I really liked. Let me know what you guys think. I might go back and buy them another time. They were just like really far from what I would normally buy, so I can't buy them without help. I kind of think I need a 6, which I know, shoot me for saying that, but they were a little bit loose around the waist, which is the weirdest thing of my entire life, because normally stuff was always tight around my waist because I ate crappy foods. Like I was like bigger because I ate crappy food, so like all my weight was around my stomach, if that makes sense. I just really quickly wanted to show you guys this. So this was like full to nearly the top, but I like prepped a whole week's worth of overnight oats at once. Hazel's making, oh my gosh, our kitchen is so messy. She's making a chia pod over here, and I just covering up the messy kitchen. I just measure them out every day. I'm just gonna quickly do it. What? Oh yes. I know you guys can only see my tummy, but I basically just do, I think it's 296. I divided it out per day. Just is so much easier than having to make them every day, and they still taste fine. It's only like soggy muesli anyway, so it doesn't really taste that different. And then I just use the same container every day. It's real easy. Just flatten it out so it looks fresh, and then Bob's your uncle. So that'll be Friday's portion. It looks quite large actually. Be really full on Friday. Hazel and I bought some protein. If you guys remember, I bought this a couple of months ago, I'd say, and it's the Botanica Blends plant protein, and I got the caramelized popcorn flavor again. I got a kilo of these two flavors, and then Hazel got a kilo of this, but we're just gonna share them. So yeah, the caramel popcorn and the cacao hazelnut, which I quite liked. I did like the chia too, but I mean not the chia, the chai, but I was like, I didn't want a whole kilo, so yeah, I'm quite excited. So they were 60 New Zealand each, I believe, not including shipping. So I've showered and I feel remotely alive. We're gonna have meatballs for dinner, so I also got them out of the freezer. So obviously I'm running late, but if I'm being honest, it is genuinely a miracle that I'm even gonna make it to school. I kind of thought this morning, like, I don't actually know if I can get out of bed, but when I got to the gym I was like, oh, I'll be fine. But just managed to throw my toothbrush and tongue cleaner on the floor, which is nice. This is today's outfit. Obviously I can't actually really move my legs because these jeans are so new, but I got my Allbirds on. These jeans are from Kmart. They're like high-waisted grey black jeans, and I really like them. They look, from what I can see on camera, they look more black, but they're definitely a grey. You guys can hopefully tell. And yeah, just with this black cotton on hoodie. I've got no makeup on, hair's up, don't care. I'm in survival mode, fam. All right. And also I've got the baby here rocking, living its best life. But yeah, my camera died in true Olivia fashion, but yeah, this is what it's called. It's the short sleeve mesh panel tee, and I really like the color, and I just hacked off the bottom. This is why I didn't like it. I also don't want like baggy t-shirts, so this is just gonna go in the bin. It just had like mesh on the bottom, and I got it in an 8. So let's try it on. I've never cropped anything in my life because I've never wanted cropped clothing. This is a really long crop, so we'll see what it looks like on. This is what it looks like on. Hopefully it kind of like rolls up a little bit because it's a little bit crooked. More crooked the more I look at it. I might have to cut it again, but I think it looks alright. I don't know, I think it'll look better when I'm not wearing something so flowy. These are the shorts that I got from Kmart, by the way. If you guys saw that haul, they're so comfy. Oh, but yeah, I thought that like this kind of outfit would be cute, but it looks a little bit frumpy, so I might need to crop it a little bit shorter. I thought better to start shorter. Yeah, it's a bit better. Better to start shorter than longer. I mean, longer than shorter, because you can't, well, you could sew the fabric back on, but I won't. So yeah, that's my new DIY. This is our dinner for tonight. It is Swedish meatballs, which I've made quite a few times before. We haven't had it in ages because my flatmate is keto, so this is actually half of a recipe of what we'd normally make. So this is the recipe here. If you want to try it, that's the recipe. I'm not going to go through it, but we just got pretty much half of everything essentially. And oh crap, I did all of the parmesan. Okay, I need to put half of that away. I forgot, so it needs to only be 50 grams of parmesan. Let me sort that out. Okay, well, so it's supposed to be 50 grams of parmesan, so that's that there. Right, so we're just waiting for this bad boy to cook, just to reduce a little bit. The pasta's probably nearly done, but you just want the sauce to be a little bit thicker. And I have 4 meatballs, and there's 7 here for Corpu, so I have 125 grams of mince. And here's a little bit more than that, obviously. And this is us done. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like a little bit thicker. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. Yeah, I didn't put in the 100 grams of parmesan, this is 50 grams, so I'm quite excited. I'm gonna serve this up and eat the whole thing. So I just jumped into bed. It's Thursday night, and I kind of wanted to just come and chat to you guys for a little bit, because I've just posted, well, not just, but a couple hours ago, I posted this picture onto my Instagram, and the main part about that was my like caption, and I was just talking about how you pick yourself apart, but then if anybody else looks at the picture, they probably think you look normal. And I've been getting so many messages and comments and stuff that have been so nice, just like put like kind things and like other inspiring things lately. It's been so amazing. Like my DMs, I've been DMing people back, but I've got so many messages from people who are like telling me that I'm inspiring them, and that, you know, like I recommended this thing and it's worked for them, and like it's just, oh my god, it seriously is so nice. And it just, yeah, means so much to me. I'm glad that like people are appreciating me sharing my fitness journey and stuff like that, because I'm really enjoying it, but I don't want to like kill people with it, but it seems like most people are enjoying it, so I think I'm kind of go that way with my content, because people seem to be enjoying it. Just chilling. I've got my little crop top on ready for the gym tomorrow. And yeah, tomorrow's arms and abs, which is another fun day. I quite like doing arms, but I'm just like super tired, as you guys are well aware. Corby was like, maybe you shouldn't take any refuge tonight and see if that makes a difference, and I think I'll give that a try, because I might not be sleeping enough, so like I wake up and I'm still drowsy from the refuge, so I'm gonna see if that works. But yeah, I'm just gonna find some good ASMR to listen to and I'm just gonna like zen out. Good morning and happy Friday. Just had to go and grab some moisturizer. I like set my camera down and realized that I hadn't moisturized. Oh my gosh, cannot believe it's Friday. I'm so bloody excited. The day is beautiful. I can see the blue sky. Oh, it's a good day. So this is my makeup for today. I actually blow dried my hair today. Can you believe it? I know it's still like wet, but it's just not like saturated. I'm shocked too, guys. I am shocked too. I don't know if I mentioned, but I did go to the gym. I did arms today. I was gonna wear a cute outfit today, but not that this isn't cute, but like a really cute outfit. This is just more like cute and casual. I'm just wearing the black v-neck that I got from Kmart underneath for when it gets hot. And then this is just like my chenille Kmart. Everything is Kmart. Kmart jumper, Kmart jeans, and then of course Allbirds. You guys have seen in my outfit video things that I'm super basic. Corpu's chocolate pancakes. They look amazing. And I got the parfait with some stewed vegetables, I mean fruit. Corpu felt like chocolate ice cream with pancakes, even though it's like 10 PM. Living his best life. Okay. Show us the ice cream, because that's like, it's not gonna focus, but it's Haagen-Dazs. It's so good. Good morning guys, it is Sunday. I have barely vlogged this week. I swear the whole week has just been like not even vlogging, but I did do quite a lot of vlogging earlier in the week, so the vlog should be a decent length, but in terms of like the days, I haven't really been vlogging that much. I am just sort of getting breakfast ready. My flatmates put the bacon in the oven and I just cut up our halloumi. I don't think I've actually shown you making the breakfast, so let me show you. So as you can see, we really like halloumi, so I'm going to weigh out 60 grams ish and we'll see how much that equates to be. I don't weigh out their halloumi because they don't really care, but I do weigh out mine because I like to have about 60 grams, which is 3 servings of halloumi, but if I'm gonna treat myself, I'm gonna treat myself, you know. So just sort of trying to pick the ones that look like, oh look at that, perfect. So that's my halloumi there. and then I'll cook them all together, but then I just make sure that I have those slices. And then I'm going to have 2 eggs scrambled, and then like I said, our bacon just went in the oven. And then we always have ciabatta buns. I used to have like one open sandwich, so like cut completely in half and I'd eat them open, but it's actually just easier to have it closed. And with my eggs, I usually just do a little bit of, not garlic salt, Italian herbs and pepper, and then I salt it afterwards. And the halloumi that we're using today is like, we just recently found a new favorite, and I'll show it to you next time, but this is our like OG halloumi. It's the Waimata, yeah. I was trying to add a T in there, but this is Waimata. Okay fam, so got our ciabatta. First goes the bacon. I have 3 rashers. And you do a little lettuce. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And then I'm going to chuck my eggs on. The scrambled eggos. Ooh. It's 2 eggs by the way. And then the halloumi. It's actually not all going to fit, but that's kind of what we've got. Close the lid, and it's like a delicious breakfast sandwich. Oh my gosh, so yum. So with the assistance of Hazel, my flatmate, I've made my first lasagna. I absolutely hate lasagna, but Corpu likes it, so made it for his lunches. This is the aftermath. I'll let you know how it comes out, but this is the finished lasagna. Sorry if you can hear Corpu talking, but yes. We're freezing these 2, and the rest of them will go in the fridge.